fantastic. You know, met up, big rowing regatta, loads of people on the river. Heavens opened. Well, my thought was that was it for the weekend, really. It was going to rain and rain and rain.
Every weekend's different. I feel like going out with friends is always fun. I love it, every minute, yeah. Even the rain.
And then the sun came out and we've had a glorious 2 days paddling down the river. Having all your kit with you and being completely self-sufficient, that's one of the things I really enjoy.
It feels a bit more like an expedition. So when you're sort of kayaking down behind everyone, you can sort of see everyone sort of canoeing off into the sunset.
Wild camping last night, it's absolutely fantastic, really good bunch of people, great site, great kit, really enjoyable.
Which way round's it go, do you know?
It's not professional.
Yeah, please don't film that.
You're only good with tents?
It's just meeting different people and having a laugh and giggle. And if there's a pub about, getting lashed.
You're in.
Cheers.
Nice to meet other like-minded people that enjoy doing the same sort of mad, crazy things. And it's so well organised, so well put together. I mean, why wouldn't you?